Did you know there are 5 major reasons women do not orgasm? Hi everyone, Dr. Jessica Yee here, sexual health expert, and you're watching the Fem Health channel. Let's dive right into the 5 reasons you may be having trouble climaxing and what you can do about each one. Number 1, many women struggle to orgasm due to insufficient arousal and foreplay. The female body often requires more time to become fully aroused, and skipping this step can make climaxing difficult. Engaging in extended foreplay, such as kissing, sensual massage, and oral stimulation, can increase arousal and improve sexual pleasure. Communication with a partner about what feels good and incorporating different forms of stimulation, particularly clitoral stimulation, can also make a significant difference. Number 2 is hormonal changes. Hormonal changes, especially after menopause, can impact a woman's ability to orgasm by reducing blood flow to the genitals and decreasing sensitivity. Low estrogen levels can lead to vaginal dryness and discomfort, making sex less pleasurable. To counter this, using vaginal moisturizers and lubricants can help reduce discomfort, while hormone replacement therapy or localized estrogen treatments may restore sensitivity. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and a balanced diet can support hormonal balance and improve sexual function. Number 3 are psychological factors. Psychological factors like stress, anxiety, or past trauma can create mental barriers to orgasm. If a woman is preoccupied with worries, self-conscious about her body, or feeling pressure to perform, it can be difficult to fully relax and enjoy intimacy. Mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can help shift focus away from stress and into the present moment. Open communication with a partner about emotional needs and expectations can also foster a more relaxed and supportive sexual environment. In some cases, seeking therapy or sex counseling may be beneficial for overcoming some deeper psychological concerns. Number 4 are meds and health conditions. Certain medications and health conditions can interfere with orgasm. Antidepressants, especially SSRIs, birth control pills, and some blood pressure medications can decrease sexual desire and sensitivity. If a woman suspects her medication is affecting her sex life, she should consult with her doctor about alternative options or dosage adjustments. Health conditions like diabetes or multiple sclerosis may also contribute to difficulty reaching orgasm, but pelvic floor exercises like Kegels and increased physical activity can improve circulation and sensation in the genital area. Number 5 is not having enough clitoral stimulation. Many women struggle to orgasm due to lack of clitoral stimulation. Unlike men, most women do not climax from penetration alone because the clitoris is the primary pleasure center. To fix this, incorporating direct clitoral stimulation, either manually or with a vibrator during intercourse, can significantly increase the likelihood of orgasm. Experimenting with different positions that provide more clitoral contact, such as the woman on top, can also help. Communicating openly with a partner about the need for external stimulation can lead to a more satisfying and fulfilling sexual experience. Remember that you are not alone, and there are millions of people who struggle with this. Hope you found this helpful, and remember to subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.